Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem. Here 4-bit DAC is given and VR is 5 volts given and RF is 8R is given. Then how can you find analog output voltage for given input 0101? So in the DAC, the input is digital input and we'll get the analog output. For that we are going to find analog output voltage for given certain input, that is 0101, and this is the input voltage for the each resistor, that is VR. Now let's see here how can you find. So here we want analog output voltage, that is V0 equal to minus of that input voltage for each resistor is 5 volts, 5 into, now each bit divide with R, 2R, 4R like this and multiply with 8R. Let's see here. So 8R into 0 plus again with 8R into 1 plus 8R into 0 plus 8R into 1. Now this term will be divided with R and here divided with 2R and this term 4R and this term will be 8R. Now simplify this here. Here it becomes 0. Here also it becomes 0. 0 by anything but 0. Here RR cancel. Here RR cancel. So it becomes 2 1s, 2 4s, 4 plus 1 into minus 5. So V0 equal to minus 25 volts. And this is the analog output voltage for the given input 0101 in 4-bit DAC. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.